Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over how to block a screenshot and a screen recording in WhatsApp messages. We're going to get right into it. First, you're going to want to open up WhatsApp and go to the person you're trying to message. And to send them a photo without them being able to screenshot, you're just going to add a photo from your camera roll. And here's the important part. At the bottom right, there is a setting with the one icon, as you can see. You're just going to want to toggle that icon on. Yeah, so once that icon is toggled on, they're not going to be able to screenshot or screen record. It will actually pop up with an error if they do try to screen record. You can just send the message over and have no fear of any screenshot or screen record or even a replay. They'll only be able to see the message once and then it'll disappear and they won't be able to replay. So yeah, that's everything. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.